Do you work for a company that requires you to go into other people's homes to provide services or to bring products? There are special rules if you are hurt on a job such as this. I'm Attorney Tracy Paulsen with Rightful Legal, and I wanted to discuss these situations and what to do in the event that you are injured. In such cases, if you went into someone's house, say to deliver furniture, and there was a dog, and you were bit by the person's dog, you would have a claim not only for workers' compensation, but also for personal injury for potential dog bite injury. So this is a double claim. If you entered a home to install furniture or provide services such as ADT, and you fell on the person's home for unsafe conditions that were foreseeable, then you may have a claim for premises liability and also for a workers' comp claim because you are providing services while employed and while on the clock. These situations can be difficult to maneuver and often very complex. That's why it's important, if you are injured, to reach out to an attorney to help you navigate and to make sure that you're able to receive compensation and legal recourse for each and every claim that you may have. I'm, again, Attorney Tracy Paulsen with Rightful Legal. You can reach me directly at 617-821-5856, or you can contact us online and schedule a free confidential consultation at rightfullegal.com. Thank you so much and stay safe.